Mega big shout out, welcome to my channel. This is Pure Soul Art once again. And now again and again, I will be doing one of my favorite content. Well, I will be doing the unboxing which I ordered online, and I hope we will check, guys. We will check expectations versus reality. Why? Because I saw this one online in my news feed, and it's coming back all over again, and then I tried to order this one. So this one arrived yesterday from Shein, whatever clothes. So arrived yesterday. So the price is quite expensive anyway, but let's do this and let's have a take out. Okay, first, the packaging, guys. Yes, the packaging is very nice. You know, Shein is a very nice packaging. Kudos to Shein, this one. It's individually packed, made in China. So this is a short. Let's see if this is very good for it's comfy or whatsoever. Because I saw this one online and it's very nice. So they have a ziplock in its own, and this is the short. Oh my god, this is literally a shorts. Okay. This is very soft. Yes. This is very soft, but it's very thin. See? Have you seen, guys? Out of 10, maybe 6. The design is nice, but I am expecting a little bit thinner for this one. But the design is fine. It's okay. I hope this is comfortable to wear with. Okay, this is the other one. Let's see. Another one, and this one is t-shirt. So I saw this one online, and I guess let's see what's inside. Again, ziplock. Let's open. The same cloth as this. Nice one. But the thing here is, this is printed. Yes, the thing is, the print is, it will be difficult for this one once it will be ironed. Yeah. So, well, anyway, 10 out of 10, maybe 8. Yeah. Next one. This one. All are black or all white with combinations of black. But anyway, so here the t-shirt is not, it's printed, it's not printed. The design is not printed. It's one of the things there. Let's see here. This is a little bit thinner. Yes, it's a bigger one, and this is Confidant. So I believe this is really the thing for his expressions, and the thing is, yeah, the two different thing. And the last one is the other one. I thought I had an orange. All are red. Okay. This is the XL. Los Angeles. Manfinity. So the seller is Manfinity. So this is the first t-shirt. Yeah. Very comfortable. I love the design there. The Los Angeles. See, it's very nice. The design is very nice. Yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next. There you go. The other one. It's kind of bigger because this is 2XL, I believe. That one is XL. No design, only this one. I love the color. In personal, guys, this is a very nice color. And the next is the one. The third one. See the letters, the design, it's very elegant. Yeah. The combination of the color. I love that one. See? And this is the short. I can't wear it. Yeah, but it seems like it's okay. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video, and for those who didn't subscribe, please do hit the notification bell, do like and subscribe our channel and share my video so you will be notified for my next video. Once again, this is Pure Stone Heart. Love you. Bye.